Hi learners, it's glad to see you in Krishna space. Today is a day 30 of our 300 days DSA series. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it and build our approach. So today's problem is reverse words in a string. And here we have given an input string S and we have to reverse the order of the words. They have also defined word as a sequence of non-space characters. The words in string will be separated by at least one space. And we have to return a string of the words in reverse order concatenated by a single space. Also they have given note that our string may contain leading or trailing spaces or multiple spaces between two words. And our return string should only have a single space separating the words. Also they are saying that we do not have to include any extra spaces. So now let's see the example to understand it more clearly. So in example 1 we have given a string as the sky is blue and the output is blue is sky the. Same in example 2 we have given a string as hello world, and as you can see in a starting and ending we have a extra spaces, but in the output we do not have those spaces, we just have world hello. Same in example 3 you can see we have a string as a good example and there is a space between good and example, and we have returned a string as example good A. So now let's understand how I approach this problem. So to solve this problem we have a multiple solutions of it, but I have used 2 pointers because nowadays I am learning 2 pointers, so that's why I have used 2 pointers here. So now I am going to take the help of code to make you more understand that how I actually solve this problem. In this you can see my first line of code is using split function. Split function basically split our string and makes it into a list. If my example is the sky is blue, then it will become a list with elements the, sky, is and blue. Thereafter I have created 2 variables I and j. I is going to be point my first character and j is going to point my last character. Following that I have run a loop in which the condition is I should always be less than j. In that loop I am just swapping the values which I and j are denoting. So in the first run my I is going to denote the and j is going to denote blue. So we are going to swap these two, in which blue will come at first and the will going to be in the last. Thereafter we are going to increment our I and we are going to decrement our j. So now I is denoting sky and j is denoting is. Now we are going to swap again because I is less than j. So now it will become blue is sky the. Thereafter we are going to increment I and decrement j, and now they will become equal. So we are going to come out from my loop. Now we are going to return a string by using join function. Join function basically makes the string by joining the character which we have given to it. So here we have given a single space. So now it is going to be make a string which will become blue is sky the. But if you guys just want to use only functions, so you can just do one thing, that after getting the word as a list you can get the reverse of that list, and after that you can return by using this line. So you can also get the answer from that as well. And if you guys have any other solution of it, do write it on comment. And thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.